Have you been fielding questions from your kids about marijuana?
Or do you find it hard to even start the conversation? Our health reporter Pauline Chan has some advice for parents who want to have the pot talk.
No, but it's there. Like, I know it's available, and I know it's easily you can get it. Right?
Teresa Neto tries to talk to her teens about substance use a lot, especially her 15-year-old son, Martin.
It is a talking point right now, and we're hearing about it all the time, but we just talk about drugs all the time, just because I'm always worried about more the street drugs and the pills and fentanyl, and that's what really scares me the most.
Martin says he knows many of his peers have used marijuana even before legalization.
I don't know how, but it's very easy. I found, people have it all the time.
I'm younger, so I'm not I don't talk about it as much.
Tania DaSilva of Behaviour Matters says marijuana is on every parent's radar this week.
So we always start with telling parents to educate themselves on the legislation as well as the drug itself.
But if you're not as comfortable as the Collenbrander family,
leaning into the conversation with kids, so asking them what they know, what they've heard, what they still have questions about. If they don't know the answers to those questions, they can look into it together.
And remember that recreational marijuana is only legal for those 19 and older.
We know very little of what marijuana does in the brain, especially while the brain is developing. Working memory areas, emotion regulation, you name it. It affects the whole brain.
As a doctor and a mom, Romina Mizrahi says the most important thing is to keep the lines open. Finding the right time is also important, so if weekday mornings are too hectic and evenings too tiring, you might want to find a quiet time this weekend to start that family conversation. Pauline Chan, CTV News.